HH and sign LL scalper. It'll be this one right over here by this dude. Right. Click this, add it to the favorites, turn this indicator on. Basically what this indicator does is this indicator marks off your higher highs and higher lows. Alright, as you can see, HH is for higher high, HL is for higher low. This red line, basically whenever you have a high high, you will see a level of support. In this case, resistance here and support here. And basically it marks off all of these levels. Right, so you have trouble identifying your market structure shifts. This indicator will be the best indicator for you. It is literally damn near a cheat code. And as you can see, if I turn the indicator off, you have our regular default candlestick colors, which is gray and green. When I turn it on, they all turn blue. All right, it's all blue in this case because we are strictly looking for buys because this is a bullish trend, right? You see, we're making higher highs. HH is letting you know we're making higher highs. But as you can see, when we are bearish, all our candlesticks are red. So if you have trouble deciding whether you want to buy or sell, this helps you create a daily bias as well. When you see all blue candles, you want to be strictly looking for buying opportunities. When you see red candles, you want to be strictly looking for selling opportunities. Right now, disclaimer. Here is a disclaimer. Do not use this indicator to strictly just buy and sell based off of the color changes. As you can see here, we were blue, we turned red looking for sales, and guess what? Whoever sold as this created this market structure shift with a loss. Right, let's find another example. As you see right here, you turn blue, somebody will be looking to take buys here, you would have lost this trade as well. Right, so you want to combine this with technical analysis, with support and resistance in your lower time frames to pick a directional bias. Right, so I'm gonna show you exactly on how to do this, but I just want to make that disclaimer: don't just buy or sell. Rather, when you see it goes from blue to red or red to blue. Right, so let's get into this. Looking on the daily time frame, we see all our candlesticks are blue, meaning we should be strictly looking for buys according to the daily time frame. So one, our daily time frame is blue, so we're looking for buys. And looking at the daily time frame, we know this is our most recent higher high. It's our most recent higher low because you see HHLL, meaning we should strictly be looking for buys on the daily time frame as long as we stay above this HL. Drop down on the 4-hour time frame and do the same exact thing. As you see, we went from seller to buy. Again, the reason why you don't want to just take a sell when you see it goes from blue to red is because, as you can see here, from blue to red, whoever's selling below here, thinking the market's going to continue down, end up taking a loss. Right, so you want to be able to combine it. So, looking at the 4-hour time frame, we are blue here, so we're strictly looking for buys. Daily time frame, want to be looking for buys. 4-hour time frame, want to be looking for buys. Right. Drop down to the 1-hour time frame. Now, in the 1-hour time frame, guess what we see? We see on the 1-hour time frame, we are now going red, and we had a market structure shift. Let's delete. Let me clear all this up so it will look more clean to y'all, because I'm actually actively in this cell right now. So as you can see, we went from blue to red. Right, inside this, now you can see we are creating, we're from making higher highs and higher lows to a lower high and a lower low. Right, and this is our most recent lower high, meaning according to this 1-hour time frame, as you can see, we should remain bearish as long as this 1 hour is continuing down. Right, now drop down to the 30-minute time frame. Guess what? We're red, and so 30-minute, 1 hour tell me to sell, 4-hour and daily tell me to buy. This is how I came up with I end up taking sells. So everybody's like, well, if you say the daily bullish and the 4-hour bullish, why are you taking a sell, Nay? The reason why I'm taking a sell is because the 4-hour is coming up into a market structure shift. So as you can see, our 4-hour time frame is blue, correct? But even though our 4-hour time frame is blue, we have this HH here, higher high, higher low, meaning we are coming down into this 4-hour market structure shift. If we get this 4-hour market structure shift, the 4-hour will be red as well. As you can see, this candlestick right now is actively about to turn red. We just gotta wait for this 4-hour close below this higher low. That will confirm the 4-hour momentum being switched to bearish structure. Right? That is why I like to take these sells here. Not only that, looking on the 1-hour time frame, what do we have? Oh, market structure shift on the 1-hour time frame. Price breaking below this 1-hour higher low, giving us a retest then continue down, right? And this retest was a rejection off of this fib level. So I have a fib rejection here. So in this case, I drop down to the lower time frame, right? Let's go to the 15 minute, not 50 minute, 5 minute. Here we go. So look on the 5 minute. This was a breaking retest back over here. Just break, kept breaking about the retest. We went blue, looking for buys, higher high, higher low, higher high. Market structure shift, went red. Looking for sells. Then the next thing you know, we have another significant pullback. So we got an impulse down for our sellers. Buyers starting to take control. What I waited for was another market structure shift on the 5 minute time frame, which will be this tick breaking below this higher low right over here to give me my sells. Then I waited for a pullback into this area with rejection off of this breaking retest to actually take a sell. And if I wanted to be a little more aggressive, could have had a stop loss right around here, but I wanted to be a little more conservative just because it is a lower time frame. So I have my stop loss above the overall lower high, which was this 1 hour level, and then just a 5 minute level. And another confluence I have with the setup is we are overall making a head and shoulders pattern. As you can see, left shoulder, head, right shoulder, for price to continue down. Right, that is another indication or confluence telling me to sell. We had this 1 hour market structure shift telling me to sell. Coming up into this 4 hour market structure shift telling me to sell as well. So even though the daily is still blue, the 4 hour is about to flip red. The daily is still blue. 4 hours is about to flip red for the market to continue down. But the importance of this indicator is if you struggle to be able to identify market structure shift, this will help you identify market structure shifts. And I'm going to actually record this whole trade and let y'all know how it plays out. As you can see, we created a higher high here on this 15 minute time frame, breaking above this lower high right over here, turns it into bullish structure on the 15 minute time frame. Then we had a pullback creating this higher low. Price started to push back up, failed to break previous highs, and now we're a body closing below this previous low. Right, it's not the wick, but we're body closing below these bodies, letting me know that we should be continuing down here. So that's how I use this indicator and stack confluences on to pick a direction. And we're going to sit through this and see how the rest of this trade plays out. Turn indicator back off now. Go on the time frame that I like to view my trades. We're just really waiting for a 4 hour to close below this level right over here. To be honest, after this we should be bread and butter to continue down to tap all the way into this 480 pips roughly. And just like that, TP1 was hit. We're floating in decent profit, around 116 pips in profit, right? 116 pips in profit on gold. That's very, very, very good. TP2 is about 180, almost 190 pips in profit. But as you can see, I got an early entry into this head and shoulders pattern, and now, well, I didn't point this out earlier, but another reason was good for this entry was this 1 hour bearish engulfing sitting right at this candlestick right over here. As you see, I sent this trade out in the Discord server that I am in. This is the trade idea, waiting for sales in this area. Whatever case may be, executed on the sell. This is my entry, head and shoulders, bearish engulfing at a fib level. 4 hour time frame had a shift bearish structure. Also, combine all of those technicals with the fact that we are overall bearish. We should be looking for sales ideally overall on the 1 hour time frame, and our 4 hour time frame is giving us that market structure shift that we was overall looking for. Thanks to this indicator identifying this as a higher low. I already have an eye for these higher lows, but this indicator for people who struggle to actually be able to identify those higher low and those market structure shifts. So yeah, but we sitting nice and profit. We should be approaching TP2 here soon at this line right here. I want to close a little bit below TP2 just for that specific dollar amount that I'm looking for. So on my account, but this trade does have potential to run even further, to be honest. This trade has lots of potential to run all the way down to here, to this level of support down here for potential 1 to 4.3 risk to reward. Now that we are very deep in profit, slowly approaching TP2, what I'm going to do with this indicator, as well as I'm going to use this indicator to trail my stop loss and profit. So instead of going stops to break even like I would normally do after hitting TP1 and then going stops to break even, I'm going to jump down to the lower time frames, like the 1 minute or the 5 minute, and look for where we see our lower highs at. Because we know if we break a lower high, that means we have potential for a reversal to go bullish in this example. So look at the 5 minute first. Look at the 5 minute. Our most recent lower high is up here. Other than that, we have a big impulse down. For all of this, this is taking away too much profit that I'm already up. This is taking away too much profit, so I don't want to go break even. I don't want to trail my stop loss here because I'll be giving away, after falling 160 pips, I'll be giving back 150 of them pips. So that'll be too far from price for me. So instead, I'm gonna drop down to 1 minute time frame and actually look for that LH. Now you can see we have a lower low right here, lower high. Meaning if we break above this lower high, the 1 minute will be transitioning into bullish structure. So with that being said, I'm going to trail my stop loss to this price point here, slightly above this 1 minute lower high structure, and that's how I'm able to maximize my profits by trailing stop loss and profit based off of 1 minute having market structure shifts. All right, now looking on the 1 minute time frame. Looking on the 1 minute time frame, as you can see, TP2 got hit. So down to the 1 minute. You see we have a new LH printed, meaning a new lower high. So we're just going to trail stop loss from here to here, right above our most recent lower high. 1 minute time frame. We're just trying to get as much out of this trade as possible. So yeah. Down here with 200 pips profit. This trade does have a lot of potential to continue down, but we might have a pullback first to retap into this level of resistance first before continuing down. So, and I'm out for here. $150 plus pips. There we go, bro. That's how you do it. Live trading at its finest, man. Maximize the trade to as much as I can get out of it. Didn't come to my TP for the dollar amount that I wanted, but we still closed for 150 plus pips with about an 87 pip stop loss. So if you look at risk to reward perspective, from a risk to rewards perspective, we closed for about a 1 to 1.6 risk to reward, even though we hit for a 1 to 2. So we did hit for 1 to 2, but I got out full at a 1 to 1.6, which is still a W in my book. Like I said, this trade does got more potential, but I think we could come up, tap into this level before continuing down. Will I execute on this break and recess? No, because I took my trade of the day already. I'm already up on the day. No need for me to take on more risk with trading this break and recess. The traffic to the left hand side is clean. We do have news coming in later at 1:55 p.m., which will be going to in the New York session, going into pre-Asian. Right, but yeah, I'm cool. Come back tomorrow. Tomorrow, whatever, we just reanalyze the charts, and whatever we see, that's how we react. Hopefully we can stay around this area for the rest of the day, to be honest. Hopefully during Asian session we can consolidate and create a range here. That'll be really, really, really nice to set up for tomorrow's London or pre-London to take a break and retest to continue down to this level. But that'll be all for today's video. It's your boy Traderholic, and I'm out, chat. Peace.